Hello friends, today in this video let me just show you how to use len function in SQL Server. Okay, so basically what we'll do, we will see multiple examples here on the implementation part. I will show you how we can use this len function and what is the exact syntax and what is exactly how it is behaving and all. Okay, now, those who are very new to this, just to give you an overview, the len function or the length function in SQL Server is used to calculate the total length of characters of a specified string, right? So the syntax is len, then within bracket, you need to provide the string, right? So what this function will do, it will calculate the number of character that string contains, right? So it will give you the output, right? So these things, these examples and all, we are going to see as part of this demo. Okay. Now what I'll do, let me navigate to SQL Server Management Studio so that I will show you the output, the example, everything, right? Now let me go there. Now you can able to see I've already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio, and these are some database which I have created, right? So under this test database, we will try to do some demo, right? Now what I'll do, I'll click on the new query, and the new query window will open, right? So here, if I'll show you an example, let me just paste this. So you can able to see this is an example here. Select length. Okay, len function within the bracket we are providing the string, right? And then we are telling the column name as this one, right? Literal string length, right? So if I will execute this particular command, you can able to see the literal string length that we are providing as a column name is 13, right? So that means this contains 13 character, right? If I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then one space 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So space also it will consider as one single character, right? Since it is a one space. If it is multiple, again it will, so each space it will count as one character, right? So that means that's why it is totally, 13. The length is 13. So this is one basic example. Now some more if you'll see, what this len function does is it will always, so if I will just copy this and I will just copy this and I will paste this command again, and if I will remove this just to show you this, so it won't show the column name, it will no column name it is showing, right? And it is giving you the character number of character, that is 13, right? Now the this len function, it will ignore the trailing spaces, right? So when I'm telling the trailing space, if I'll copy this and I will paste it here, suppose let's change it, I will just mention united, and then what I'll do, I will give some space here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this if I will give, and if I will execute this command, you can able to see it is giving me 6 only, right? So the number of character it is 6 now, but it ignored completely this trailing spaces, right? So this is one thing you need to consider. So when you are providing this trailing space to your string, it will, this len function will simply ignore those space. Okay, now what if we will give some leading spaces, what it will do? Okay, let's see that. So if I'll go here, I will remove these spaces, and what I'll do, I will provide some space on the starting or the leading space, right? 3 space I have given, right? And if I will execute this, you can able to see it is considering the leading spaces, but it is ignoring the trailing spaces, right? So that thing you need to consider. So these are the some scenario that you need to consider while using this len function, right? Now, how we can use this len function when you in a table, right? So when you have certain records on a table, how you are going to utilize that using the len function, right? How you are going this doing this manipulation. Let's see one example for that. So now I have this statement, right? Select star from product. Product is a table I have. You can able to see it here. Under the stage database, I have a table called product that contains these columns, right? Product name, product type, product ID, product brand, valid from and valid to. So these are the columns, right? So what we are trying to retrieve here, get me the details of the from the product table where product name is greater than 4, right? Length of this product name is greater than 4, right? So if I'll execute this, you can able to see we got the expected output where it is the product name are greater than 4, it gave us that output. Again, greater than 3 means it will give, if I'll give 6, say I will run this. You can able to see the output is 2 now, right? Instead of 3. So this way you can use, len function while manipulating any data from your table, right? And these are the scenario you need to consider while using this len function. So this is all about the len function in SQL Server. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to use this len function in SQL Server. We have discussed multiple examples and scenarios how we can do that, how we can use the len function, right? The syntax and all everything we have discussed here. Now, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video a little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of SQL Server tips, different helpful Azure tips, Azure PowerShell commands, Azure CLI commands, and many more. Thanks a lot again, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.